What if I told you there are free AI tools that can save you hours every week? Whether you're a student, creator, freelancer, or business owner, these tools can help you write faster, design better, edit videos, and even build websites, all without spending a dollar. Stay until the end, because my final recommendation is one of the most useful free AI tools available in 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing 10 free AI tools that are practical, easy to use, and can make your work much more efficient. Let's jump right in. First up is ChatGPT. It's one of the most versatile AI assistants available. You can use it to write emails, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, learn new skills, generate code, or plan projects. Example, write a professional email asking for a job interview. Within seconds, you'll have a polished draft you can customize. If you want to experiment with powerful AI models, Google AI Studio is a great option. You can test prompts, build simple AI applications, analyze text, and experiment with multimodal features using a browser. It's especially useful for developers and anyone curious about advanced AI capabilities. Creating graphics has never been easier. Canva AI can generate presentations, social media posts, logos, posters, and images from simple text prompts. Instead of spending an hour designing, you can start with an AI-generated draft and refine it in minutes. Perplexity combines AI with web search. Instead of just giving an answer, it also points you to supporting sources. This makes it useful for research, studying, and comparing information. It's a great choice when you want to verify facts or learn about a topic quickly. Notebook LM helps you work with your own documents. Upload notes, PDFs, or reports, then ask questions about them. Generate summaries or review key ideas. Students, researchers, and professionals can save a lot of time with this approach. Need a presentation quickly? Gamma helps you turn a simple prompt into a polished slide deck or document. You can then edit the content, change layouts, and share it without starting from scratch. Want realistic AI voices? 11 Labs can generate natural-sounding speech from text in multiple languages and styles. It's useful for videos, audiobooks, podcasts, and accessibility projects. Always make sure you have permission before cloning or using someone's voice. Editing videos is much faster with AI. CapCut includes tools like automatic captions, background removal, and AI-assisted editing. Perfect for creators making YouTube shorts or social media videos. If you need original artwork or illustrations, Leonardo AI can generate images from text prompts. It's useful for concept art, thumbnails, game assets, and creative projects. Review the platform's usage terms before using generated images commercially. Last but not least is Claude. Claude is particularly strong for long documents, thoughtful writing assistance, and brainstorming. Many users rely on it for drafting reports, reviewing documents, and exploring ideas in depth. Those are 10 free AI tools worth exploring in 2026. The best part is that many of them offer free plans, so you can experiment and decide which ones fit your workflow. Which AI tool is your favorite, or which one are you planning to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.